Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm on a cruise ship. Yep, I'm gonna run on a cruise ship. And it's a new upgrade on my suit. I know. This new upgrade thingy. My vest. I get to wear it under. Kind of comfortable, but yep. I feel pretty with all my money. Third class, baby. Who's this? A bathroom. I have to go poopy. Okay. Ain't third class. So important. I have to really gotta use the bathroom. I don't really have to eat dinner. Yes, bathroom. Oh God. Oh. 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 Okay. What if I do it? Man. And let's go. There it is. Now I'm gonna find more to my room because I have a room. And you must uncall last. God. This room's better. What is on my gold is not meant for this shenanigans. This is my grandeur. Who? Fancy. Fanciful. Install toilet. Or this. Yep, mine is on this. Please be a room. Please be a room. So I know this is the Titanic reopening. So I'm kind of scared because the Titanic, sort of had a history. So I'm kind of scared. Shivering in my bones. I really don't want to sink on me. Since I'm the first one here, I think I can do this. And this is no bathroom. Titanic. Oh, I broke the toilet. Oh. Broke the toilet. I broke the toot. Oh no, I broke the toot. Oh God, the toot. I broke the toot. Oh no. I'm getting my toot room. What a toot. Let's mess around a little. They need to laugh a little. Yes, here we go. Boom, boom. Lots and lots of boom, boom. Here. Ooh, yes. Yes. This will make a great money fountain. Pipeline, too. Yep. Oh, nice. It doesn't hurt. I already have a jungle grass in my vein. Yay! Let's make fireworks, guys. Let's have a little fun, shall we? Oh, man, what's all that ruckus? Who's laughing? Oh, 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 oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Out of big explosion. What the? I know the people get on the boat. The ship is sinking. I know it. It's never good when the boat's name is Titanic. Oh no, I gotta jump. It's pulling me back.
Rep.
Yeah.
Get up. Girl, get your ass up.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Yep, I got some. Let's only do that right there. Oh, the person got knocked off the boat. Ah, it's cold. That's fine. That's what. Man in the boat. Now, let's go. Ouch. I got too busy. Full steam ahead. Hey guys, we're back. Alfred. Alfred. Go. Ah, gotta run, gotta run, gotta run. I'm going. So I hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. I know too many parts, too many people in my house today. I'm gonna burn it. Out. Ah! So go upstairs, go to sleep, and not come back down till that thing is off. Goodbye.